How to change your spark plugs.
First things first, you take off your battery. I'm gonna try to make this video quick because I know you got some work to do. There's one right there, two right there, and three right there. And last but not least, but mine's broken over there in that corner, but you can see it right there. Now we want to remove these ignition coils. There's 4 of them. Don't be sad if you're not as fast as me. I've been doing this a while. Alright, now that you got them unscrewed, you can go ahead and pop them out. You can just lay them there. And since you got them out, you can go ahead and inspect them, make sure they're not wet with anything or cracked or broken. You can check out your connections. And now you want to start popping them out with the old and then with the new NGK. And this is the brand that the Toyota manufacturers suggested in the repair manual. Get your 5/8 socket, magnetic. And you want to be real careful putting them in. You don't want to mess up the threads. Alright, now you want to get them down to they're just snug. And the torque spec is 13 foot-pounds. Or you can do a quarter turn to a half a turn. I went in between. That's a 3/8 of a turn. Or it's a 135-degree turn. In the middle between 90 and 180. You just want to do the same thing to all of them. Now you just want to pop your ignition coils back on, and you're just about done. Now reconnect your battery. Make sure you put it on evenly and tighten it up, and you're done.